Welcome back to another Gravy Income video. Today we're going to be installing a hitch on a 2017 Chevy Equinox. We're a new channel here, so please hit that like button and subscribe to help support us. Okay, so this hitch is made by Kurt. I picked it up through Amazon for $108. It's a class 3 hitch with a 2-inch receiver. Alright, so the first thing I need to do is figure out how to take this plastic cap off here. Alright, so there's 2 tabs in here. So you just want to lift up on this, pull that down. Same thing over here. Okay, so this also has some clips. They just pull right out. You gotta put your hand inside there. And just push that down. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do here is install these carriage bolts in the top of my bumper frame, which these are right here, and they go right up here. So what you have to do is come over here. There's an opening and you need to fish it across. Alright, so this is the wire they give you to fish the brackets over. So I'm going to stick this in here. Push this over like that. Not bad, pretty easy. Alright, now I'm going to try to get the bolt. So if you see, you can thread this on. And it's that easy. Alright, so when you're underneath here, I recommend safety glasses. There's a lot of stuff falling on my face. Alright, time to get the other side. Alright, so like I said before, this thing is not that heavy, but it's still not something I want to do by myself. So if you have a jack, it makes things a lot easier. Alright, so I have that up. Now I'm going to put the nuts and washers on. I'm just going to hand tighten that for now. You don't really have to use the washer, but I have an extra one, so it's not gonna hurt. Plenty of threads left. Alright, so I used a jack and I got the 2 bolts in the center holding it up. Now I just have these 2 upper bolts to get in. Alright, so you want these little grooves to go on what you're holding. Bolt goes like that. Alright, let's get the other side. Alright, so after you get both these bolts tightened up on both sides, you can go ahead and tighten the ones in the center up. So make sure you use plenty of WD-40 or PB Blast, because them bolts are really hard to get in. You can tighten these bolts up here and you're set. That's your hitch.